Every second, more than 10,000 Coca-Cola products are opened somewhere in the world. But each one begins long before this moment. The drink in your hand passes through a long chain of precise steps before it's ever sealed. Here's how it's actually made. It starts with the concentrate, the heart of the drink. A secret blend of flavors made by the Coca-Cola company itself. The exact recipe, nicknamed Merchandise 7X, is one of the most guarded trade secrets in the world. It has never been published. This concentrate is shipped to hundreds of bottling plants worldwide. From the same base, every Coke is made to taste identical. Water makes up around 90% of the drink, so it has to be flawless. Every batch begins with deep purification. It passes through sand and carbon filters that strip away particles, chlorine, and anything that could affect the final taste or smell. Now the drink takes shape. Purified water is blended with sugar to create a thick, clear syrup in huge steel tanks. That syrup is mixed with the concentrate in exact measures. Technicians test the sugar level until the numbers are perfect. The finished syrup meets more purified water, then is chilled, because cold liquid holds gas far more easily. Under pressure, carbon dioxide is dissolved in, creating the fizz, the bite, and the sound of a bottle being opened. Now the line comes alive, hundreds of bottles a minute, rinsed and racing forward to be filled under pressure. Each bottle is filled to an exact level and sealed instantly, locking the carbonation inside before any gas can escape. Then every bottle is labeled and printed with a date and batch code, a fingerprint tracing it back to this exact line. Quality control never stops. A technician lifts a finished bottle to the light, checking its color, fill level, and seal. Samples are tasted and tested against a single global standard, so every bottle matches perfectly, no matter where it's made. Approved product is stacked onto pallets, wrapped tight, and loaded into one of the largest delivery networks on Earth. Trucks carry it to shops, restaurants, and machines, most of it made close to where it's finally sold. A secret formula from one place. Water, sugar, and gas added in thousands of others, all held to one identical standard. So wherever you are in the world, it tastes exactly like you expect. That's how Coca-Cola is made.